Hi everybody, it's Brad again. I am going to make a little succulent arrangement for the lady that was the first subscriber. First thing I want to do is put on gloves because of the thorns in the succulents. And the next thing I want to do is I want to say hi to the team of people I work with, which is Mac, Garrett, Heather, Stephanie, Shelly, Madeline, Fosdy, Linda, and Zane. Of course, I gotta say hi to CJ or else he feels left out. And now then, to get started with this, I mixed a little bit of potting soil and sand. I did about a 50-50 mix of that I'm gonna put in here if it's needed. And then I have some sand just for decorative purposes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make just a thin layer of this sand in the bottom, because I guess OCD kicks in or something. I want it to look like it's got just sand in it, I think. I may change my mind halfway through. And I kind of laid these out in a method that I think I want to put them in here, but let's get started potting this. And give me a second and I will show you my theory on making the sides look like it's sand, which I hope works. It may not, but everything's trial and error. I hope this works. If not, I'll pour it all out and do it different. I want to put white rocks on the top of this, and we'll see how well that looks. And while I'm thinking about it, because I always forget to say this, like, subscribe, and make any comments you want to. And I'm just hoping this part don't mess it up, because this is going to be the hard part. Keeping it all straight. Yo, I had to get one of my fancy tools out here. You know, I probably should have set everything in there and then started putting soil in there. Okay, it's not working like I want it to. So we're gonna go with this right here. And then I'm just gonna take the spoon and spoon soil in around all of it. I wanted a little bit of space in between all of these. Like something like that. Take this and go. Y'all, my sand on the sides isn't gonna work. I think the little cactuses have a different mind of their own, and I'm gonna have to do this a little bit different, but that's okay. Do I want to put this one here? Yeah, I know, I'm gonna get stickers. That's 4. still don't want to do like I wanted to. I want that one to stand up a little bit straighter. And guys, just so y'all know, before I started any of this, I washed all of my tools with alcohol, so they're all clean. And now then I'm gonna put, I like this one, even though it's got 9,000 burrs on it. I think I'll put this one right here, like about right there, since that's where it wants to stand. But I gotta get this one in there too. And y'all, just so you know, I got all of these plants yesterday from Callaway's because I'm not good enough with the succulents to get them to regrowing. I don't know how. I will probably eventually figure out how. I want these offset just a little bit. Y'all, all I'm doing is putting soil in here and trying to make sure the cactuses are kind of stable. I didn't get to do my desert look like I wanted to, but I guess that'll be okay. I kind of like it like this anyway. Yo, all I'm trying to do here is water it a little bit. To kind of hopefully give the cactuses a pretty good start. Now I'm just gonna put me some white rocks in there. This spoon ain't working very well for this. A little shovel may work better for this. And y'all, just so you know, I don't believe you have to spend a lot of money on flower pots and decorations and all that mess. So I will tell you, these white rocks came from the dollar store. The flower pot that I'm using, we went to a thrift store and I bought it. The most expensive part of this is the little plants because I had to go buy them. Like I say, I bought them from Callaway's. I'm assuming Callaway's is nationwide, but it's just a nursery chain here in the part of Texas I live in. Y'all, all I'm doing is trying to strategically place some of these rocks where I don't have 3 inches of them in one place and 1/4 of an inch in another place. There, I think we're done. Let me spray it again. See what the rocks are gonna look like wet. There. That is a complete project. Except for this little piece of dirt right here. And there is one right here. And one right there. Y'all, these are my favorite tool out of everything I've ever bought, is these long tweezers. And it is because it makes stuff like this much more convenient to try to work with and get pieces like the rocks exactly where I want them. Here is the final product. While I'm doing this, I'm going to say again, y'all please hit the like and subscribe. Make comments if you would like to. And that's my little succulent garden today. Thank you for watching my video.